In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set layout to A3 paper size in AutoCAD. If you've ever wondered how to get your drawing onto a correctly sized sheet for printing or sharing, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll move from your drawing environment into paper space, open the right settings panel, choose the output device, and set the paper to A3, which measures 420 by 297 millimeters. First, switch to a layout tab. Look along the bottom of your AutoCAD window and click Layout 1, or any layout you prefer. This takes you into paper space, which is where you organize how your drawing will appear on a physical sheet. You'll see a white page with a viewport frame showing your model. Don't worry, changing layout settings won't alter your model itself, it just affects how it will plot. Next, open the Page Setup Manager. The quickest way is to right-click the layout tab you're on and choose Page Setup Manager, then select Modify. This opens a dialog specifically for that layout where you control printer settings, paper size, and related options. You should also see a preview that represents the sheet and its printable area. The outer edge is the paper, the inner dashed boundary typically indicates the device's margin limits, which helps you avoid clipping. Now select your printer or plotter. In the printer plotter section, choose the device you plan to use. If you're creating a PDF, a built-in option like DWG to PDF works well and usually offers a full range of standard sizes. If you're sending this directly to a physical printer or plotter, choose that device so the margins and available sizes match what it supports. Keep in mind that the list of paper sizes is determined by the chosen device, so selecting the right one ensures A3 will be available. Finally, set the paper size to A3. Open the paper size drop-down and choose A3, which is 420 by 297 millimeters. As soon as you pick A3, the preview updates to reflect the larger sheet. This is a common size for technical drawings, giving you more room than A4 while staying easy to print and share. If you work in imperial units, A3 is roughly 11.7 by 16.5 inches, but the dialog will list it in millimeters. That's all there is to it. You're now in paper space on your chosen layout. The page setup is configured, your output device is selected, and the sheet is set to A3. From here, you can continue arranging viewports and annotations, knowing your layout matches the correct paper size.